Hello everyone! Today I have a Shein spring outfit tutorial for you, and this video is sponsored by Shein, and all of the links for the items I have today are in the description down below, as well with my coupon code, so make sure you go check that out. And without further ado, let's get to showing the outfits. So first, I just have this little floral asymmetrical lace dress, and it is in this beautiful pink color. It has hot pink flowers all over, as well as, like I said, lace, and it's a really cool mix of the lace fabric with like this other fabric. It has the lace up here on the bust, and it is a halter that ties, which is awesome because it's automatically adjustable. And this one really doesn't need much to be added. If I were to add anything else, I'd probably just add like a little purse onto it. I'd wear it with a pair of brown boots, which is what I have on right now, or I could switch it to white boots depending on, what kind of vibe I'm going for. But I feel like the brown gives it more of a vintage look, and I just think this dress looks really good with that vintage kind of look. This next outfit is this gorgeous little army green colored asymmetrical ruffled dress. It has lace like the last one, except this one, it's just paneling going down the dress, which I find really cool, as well as like this kind of boning, and it's almost kind of like a corset, but it's not necessarily. It just looks like that. It is a halter and ties like the last one, so it's adjustable, which is great. It came in different colors. I love this army green though. I decided to pair it with the same brown boots I wore for the other dress, and to match the brown boots I got this little brown purse, as well as this super cute little, it's technically like a bolero, but it's, what is this material? It's kind of like a fishnet, but it's not. It's knitted, and it looks super nice with it. I love the color tones together, and just the shades of brown and tan really work out in this outfit. This next outfit, the top, is actually like a 2-in-1 top. So it comes with this little dark gray bolero, and then it comes with this halter with this little ring design right here that is in like a lighter shade of gray, and it is asymmetrical and ruched on the sides, and you can wear the bolero a bunch of different ways. I decided to go with like the normal bolero look, and I love how it looks with this outfit. I have this little skirt that is just like a mini skirt. It has little pockets, a nice dark blue kind of color. It ties in with the dark gray, as well as like a little dark gray belt just to add to the skirt, and this little dark blue purse just to add a pop of color. And for the boots, I have a pair of black boots, and I feel that this is very much like a streetwear outfit, and I definitely think you could wear this top many different ways. You could wear it even without this other piece on it if you wanted to, or you could do an opposite, wear this with another top. That's why I love like the 2-in-1 tops, because it's literally, you get 2 for 1. And I just think that this outfit though just is such a good look altogether. This next outfit is this super cute little dress, but it is technically a skirt on the skirt part, because it does have a pair of built-in shorts underneath, because it is pretty mini, but it's kind of like a cargo dress that has this front zipper that goes up all the way, as well as this little belt that it comes with. I love this gray color though. I feel like it's very streetwear style, so to kind of tone into that a bit but also not, I decided to throw on that bolero from before with that other outfit, because I think that dark gray really goes well with this like kind of other kind of dark gray, this lighter gray, as well as a nice little blue bag from before as well, because I just love this navy blue color. I feel like it ties in very well with the grays. And then the same black heeled boots, as well as a pair of black tights, just to kind of switch it up a bit, take a little more of like a different route, but also still keep it in that streetwear kind of look. But I love all of it together, and you could definitely dress this dress up whatever way you want. Like, you could take off all the accessories, like you don't really need anything, but it's really fun to dress it up though. Like, I would definitely throw on like a little black leather jacket if I had one, so maybe I gotta get one now for this dress, because it is a really cute dress that I will be wearing a lot. For this last outfit, this one is actually 2 items that go really well together. It is this super cute little baby tee. It is a graphic tee. It says "mwah," and it has the little kiss right here. It came in a bunch of different colors, but obviously I had to go with the classic pink. And then I got this little cargo inspired skirt. As you can see, it has shorts built in underneath, as well as a built-in belt. It has these pleats that go all the way around the skirt, and
Like I said, it is a skirt, so the back actually is shorter on the skirt side, so you do see the shorts, but that's perfect because, I mean, it is a skirt, so who cares, because it's just shorts. But I love this tan color, and I decided to pair it with this little purse that I actually just recently got. I love the shades of brown and tan because it goes with the skirt, and then I have this little fur coat, and it's super, super soft, perfect for the spring weather. And then for boots to go with the dark brown on the purse, I have this dark brown pair of little boots. All of the boots I've worn are heeled boots. I just love high-heeled boots. But this outfit altogether looks so cute and so well put together, and also very casual in a way, but also not so casual because we got this little fur on. So I hope you guys enjoyed the outfits, and I hope I gave you some inspo for maybe an outfit that you want to put together. And like I said in the beginning, all of the items were linked in the description down below, as well as my discount code. So I hope to see you in my next video. Goodbye, everybody.